young 14-year-old girl who's in love with...
Just a little too...
Madly.
It's in love with what? That's in love with what? Oh, okay.
I think he heard you. It's actually really hard to hear over there.
Yeah, knows who it is.
Go ahead, get on it. How do I do this? All scenes depicted in this story are real.
Oh, hey, it's been a long time. Come on in.
Hey, what's up? These are pigtails. Hey, what's up? Oh my god, oh my god.
What car came?
What the fuck did you say? Yep. I don't care. You're really awesome anyways. You're joking, right? Yeah. Good gun.
By the way, Scuba, it's not a real person. It's a situation. You're
Yeah.
Situation.
Yeah, he looked great. He looked fucking sexy. Oh my god. That's creepy. That's it. Hormones. Woo! Yeah. Creepy second one. Woo! This is my good. Uh-huh. I can if you want me to. Whatever you want. Go ahead. Just don't my dad. Go get you.
Oh, are you an underage chick at my house trying to get with me?
Basically.
Close enough.